Okay, so guys, I spoke to you about a while back and I told you there's a little bit of curveball with regard to the escort. So there's two escorts that we're busy with. One is this red one here and the other one is the white one that I've advertised before. So we all know that the white one is gone in for body and it's gone in all the way to Durban for body. So what we've decided is, because the red one's body is done, I've done another motor for it quickly. I've used the same gearbox from the white one, and I've used the white one's front and rear suspension. So as you can see here quickly, here's the red one's suspension and fuel tank and etc, etc. There's the motor we done quickly for the red one. So this is the matching number motor to this guy here, and then the front suspension for it. So the red one is actually painted very nicely, very nicely, as you can have a look here. So we started assembling from here. We started using a lot of the white cast parts. So this is how the master cylinder, the brake booster assembly looks. If you look here, you can see all the clips done already for it. Sorry, that's just a thick layer of dust. So we're starting to assemble this vehicle here. There's still parts that's got to come off here, and we're basically going to use some of the stuff done for the white car onto this car here. So if we look at the undercarriage of this vehicle, this is how she looks, and this is how all the hard work has come out so far. So you can see the nuts and bolts, you can clearly see, and that everything is not painted there. So you can see the detail gone into it. So this is stuff that we looked at on the floor, and I showed it to you when it was still on the floor. But you can have a look here now, and you can see how this here is actually coming out, and I think it really looks good. This is the powder coated petrol tank. The brackets for the petrol tank is all done. There was clips done as well for it. You'll see the door lock is done as well, or the boot lock, sorry, that's done. We're busy with the hinges on this guy as well. Interior on this guy is quite nice. Then the one mistake I made was I made these screws here all gold, so I'm redoing another set for it quickly, because it's got to be black to match with the beading. If you open the door up here, so let me just zoom out here for you. Doors open nicely. You can see the small detail in everywhere. I think my lighting is really a bit shit here, but this guy is coming out really nice. So it's not stuff that is just sprayed. We're starting to assemble. Yeah, you can see these latches on the inside here, they're all done as well. So we're starting to assemble the vehicle and go through it now, and this guy is done nicely. Let's see what the outcome is. The motor, I'm not able to put the motor in now because I'm still waiting for the 41mm Welsh plugs, of which we did find, and that will go in. So yeah, stay tuned for this one. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for this build. Yeah, this is quite like it's gonna turn out nice. The skull is done nice, the paint is done very nice. We are gonna still play around here with all the grills screws, so all these are gonna get redone nicely. I'm gonna do a light polish on the glass here. These guys are also gonna get done as well. So I showed in the last video, these are all redone. I'm gonna go up here and you'll see these are sprayed black, and that's gonna get redone as well. So we've actually done it for the other vehicle. I'm just gonna redo a whole lot of the other stuff here. Like I say, stay tuned, wait for the next episode. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to keep you informed as far as I can. Cheers.